Winning the lottery is rare, but sometimes getting a windfall of money in other ways can feel similar. Maybe from selling a business or real estate or getting an inheritance. It can be a bit overwhelming, and each decision you make will have ripple effects through the rest of your life, just like water on a lake. That's why it's best to get advice from the beginning about how to make that money last so you won't end up back where you started or worse. You may have the urge to take an extravagant vacation or buy a big new house. Have you considered the extra costs, property taxes, insurance, fees, maintenance costs, and on and on? Believe me, I've seen it firsthand. When money goes out as quickly as it comes in, we can help you avoid that. It all starts with a plan. First, to save on taxes. Second, to navigate various rules on how and when you can withdraw money periodically or take lump sum payments. And third, to make it sustainable, possibly for the rest of your lifetime. Will this be enough for you to live on and fund your retirement? We can help you see the big picture of what's possible so that you can enjoy the money you've come into while making it last.